Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System. This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio in High Hill, Ohio on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WXJ 47, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Coshocton, Gallia, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Licking, Meigs, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Perry, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And finally, for these counties in northern West Virginia, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Word, and Wood. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. For east, central, and southeast Ohio and northern West Virginia, including Zanesville, Cambridge, Coshocton, New Philadelphia, Marietta, Parkersburg, and surrounding areas. For rest of today, sunny. Unseasonably warm with highs in the mid-80s.